It's time to make my new flavor today. I will be sharing the recipe and we will do it together. Stay tuned. So today our new flavor is banana pudding cookie, and this is what you need to have. 230 grams of unsalted butter, 1 egg, 240 grams all-purpose flour, instant pudding vanilla powder, pinch of salt, a half teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 6 milligrams of vanilla extract. We will use the vanilla cream wafer, 135 brown sugar and 67 grams of granulated sugar, 1 ripe banana, 135 grams of white chocolate chips. So first cut your butter into small cubes and put them in the mixer. And turn the mixer on medium speed until you see the butter stick on the bowl, then stop. Add the brown sugar, add the granulated sugar, and mix again. Get a spatula and take all the edges. That's a very important move, so all the butter can get mixed with the sugar. Put the vanilla extract, put the egg, and mix. After you put the banana in the mixer, you mix again. And now we're gonna put the dry ingredients together. So a pinch of salt, baking soda, baking powder. And then you mix and you put them in the bowl. Crush your wafer to small pieces and then put them in the mixer. After we're done, we're gonna put the chocolate chips. And this is the dough now, it's finished. I'm gonna weight it now for 130 grams. So this recipe make us 11 chunky cookies. Each cookie is 130 grams. I will freeze it tonight overnight and I will bake it tomorrow morning. So now the cookie has been frozen. I left it for overnight and now we're gonna be baking it. Now we will bake them for 26 minutes on 160 degrees Celsius on fan forced. Oh my god guys, the cookie looks so chunky. Oh my goodness, the smell is so yum. Thank you for watching guys. This is the result. A gold and brown. It looks so chunky and it smells amazing. I'm gonna try it actually myself because I'm so intrigued. So this is the inside. Bismillah. Oh my goodness. Guys, you're gonna love this. It's gooey and it's so balanced. It's not too sweet. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.